Oh, hello guys. Welcome. I'm Rigor Badiola, and in this episode we'll be talking about self-composed melodies. I have three objectives in this episode. First one is I'll be helping you in identifying the different major scales, specifically C major scale, G major scale, and the F major scale. The second objective is to appreciate the melody of a song. Third one is for you to sing your self-composed melody. Let's get it on with the first objective. I'm now showing you the C major scale. As you can see, it starts from the solfege Do, Re, Mi until you reach Do, the higher Do. The pitch names are C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C respectively. Now in order to identify whether a scale such as this one is in the key of C, you have to look at the G clef. Beside the G clef, you must not see any sharp or flat, just like in this case. This time, I will be showing you the G major scale. So the solfege is the same as the C major scale. That's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. Still the same. But the first pitch, the lowest pitch, begins with G this time. So it's G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. How would you know if a major scale is in the key of G? You have to look at the G clef, and beside it, you have to see one sharp symbol. Just like in this case. It means that whatever note goes to this specific area, in this case F, must have the sharp symbol. So in this case, it's the F sharp. Lastly, this is the F major scale. So just like the C major scale and the G major scale, the solfege is also the same. So it's Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. The first pitch happens to be F. So it's F, G, A, B flat, C, D, E, and F. To know whether a major scale is in the key of F, you have to look at the G clef. And beside it, you are going to see one flat symbol. So that means whatever note or whatever pitch falls to that area, it must have the flat symbol. In this case, it's B. So that's why in this major scale, B is in B flat. So to sum it up, to know whether a major scale is in the key of C, the G clef must not have any sharp or any flat symbol. While in G major scale, you will see one sharp symbol, and in F major scale, you will see one flat symbol. When you listen to the radio, there will be times that you think, I want to be a very good songwriter. I want to be a very good composer. Just like Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Ludwig van Beethoven, Chopin. And for contemporary music, we have John Lennon, Paul McCartney. Here in the Philippines, we have Nicanor Abelardo, we have Ryan Cayabyab, who is very famous up to this day, Freddie Aguilar, and of course, Ogie Alcacid. Now, if you're going to listen to their music, you will see a variety of melody movements. Their music has this signature that tells something about their personality. I am a songwriter myself, and in this channel, you'll be able to see a lot of my compositions. So those are samples of my work, and I want you to hear them. Special mention is the graduation song for last school year. Yes, it's Paalam. magkakapusan. Ito na ang muli, hanggang sa muli. Sana'y di na matapos ito. Kantabi mo, ngayon ako, pipigil ang pagluhan ng mata ko. Ito na ang muli, at hanggang sa muli. Sana'y di na matapos ito. Paalam na sa'yo, kaibigan, magkikita pa rin tayo sa daan, sa daan. You can freely browse this channel for other songs. So here's an activity. If you are my grade 6 pupil this school year, I want you to take note of 3 songs, and then in your notebook, write the title, and I want you to write anything that you have noticed about those 3 songs that you have chosen. You can write about its melody, you can write about its beat, you can even write about its message. For my grade 6 pupils out there, I want you to do learning task number 2. The learning task number 2 is about vocalization exercises. You can read the procedure on page 32. This time, let us go now to creating your own melody or creating your own song. In the module, it is written there how to compose your own song. And the procedure begins with number 1, think of a theme that best suits you in making a song. So, if as of the moment you are angry, maybe it's better for you to create an angry song. If you are happy, you can create a happy song. Or if you're in love, you can create a love song. Or if you're sad, you can create a sad song. Second, write the lyrics as you would write a poem. So, if you're used to writing the lyrics, then this is the best opportunity to make use of that ability. You have to be more sensitive with a measure, with a rhyme, with the words you use. It's up to you. You can even create a song in Filipino if you like. But then again, you can also create a song in English. Step number 3 is to apply your own melody. Be sure that the melody that you will be applying to your own lyrics must be not identical with any melody of any song that you can hear in the radio, or else that would be against the law. It's plagiarism. You cannot use a melody that has been used by other music composers. And then last but not the least, give it a title. Give a unique title. Give an easy to remember title. It's up to you. The title will also reflect your own personality and your own songwriting style. So that's how you are going to create a song according to the module. But unlike that, I have my own style. So I'll be sharing it with you. So this is my method of composing a song. Number 1, just like the module method, you have to think of a theme or recognize your own current feelings. It is very hard for me to create a love song if I am angry at the moment, or a happy song if I'm in love at the moment, or if something is bothering my mind. If you feel bothered, it is best to create a song or write a song about what's bothering your mind. If there is something unforgettable that you keep on remembering, it is better to write a song about that topic. Number 2, create melody. In my case, I find it easier to create the melody first before the lyrics. Maybe it's just a personal preference, but in my experience, I write better songs when I write the melodies first before the lyrics. Number 3, apply the lyrics. Number 4, make adjustments. If something or any part of the song doesn't sound good or doesn't even feel good, it is up to you to change or improve it. 5. Polish. After repeatedly singing your own composition, you will come to a point that you'll notice that the song can even improve. So you can edit your song so that it will be polished, so that it will be better. And lastly, number 6, give it a title. So I want you to create your own song and then send a private message to me. For the performance task and for the assessment, I will be posting the details in our group chat. If you have any question, feel free to send a private message to me and I'll be answering as long as I'm free. You can even share these videos to your friends so that they too can enjoy the fun in creating or writing songs. This has been Rigor Badiola, your teacher. You have been given power. Use it wisely.